Hello students, this is your father teacher from TODDLEDOM St. Paul's High School. I hope you all are doing well at home. We have learned about domestic animal and wild animal. Today I will introduce to animal, that is birds. I will explain you about birds and we'll do few of worksheets to understand better. Let's get started. Let's understand more about birds. Birds are very colorful animal. Birds have wings which are covered with feathers. These feathers help the birds to fly. Let's look at the birds: peacock, crow, cuckoo, sparrow, eagle, ostrich, penguin, parrot, cock. Birds like ostrich, swan, pigeon have wings but still cannot fly. Let's learn more about the birds with the help of worksheet. Get ready with your EVS activity book. First, color only the bird. Look at the animal below and see if it's a bird. Is this a bird? Yes, it's a crow. Color the crow. What is the color of the crow? Yes, black. Color it nicely. We will learn more about birds by doing one more worksheet. Is this crow? You have to color full black because crow is black in color. All the birds have very beautiful colors. Do it neatly, students. Very good. Very nice, students. Let's look at the next word, parrot. What color is parrot? Green. Color green. Color it nicely. Do it along with teacher. Teacher is taking two different greens. If you don't have, you can color the same green color to the parrot. Do it neatly, students. Color it nicely. Very good, students. Isn't the birds very beautiful animals? And how far up in the sky they can fly, right? Very good, students. Let's look at the next animal. Which is the next animal? Rabbit. Rabbit is a bird? No. Is peacock a bird? Yes. Peacock is a very beautiful bird. Color it nicely. Teacher is taking dark blue color for the body, for the upper part of the body of the bird. For the wings, teacher is taking a different color. You can also use the same color or you can use color of your choice. Take the green color. I'm coloring the green color to the wings. Peacock has many colors in the feathers, so you can color differently. Also, teacher is using the green color to make it more prettier. Teacher will use one more color. See how pretty it is looking. Now teacher has taken orange and she's coloring. Isn't it looking beautiful, students? Are the birds so beautiful? Is dog a bird? No. Let's do another worksheet to understand better. Birds. Color the circle below the birds only. Now you have to look at the pictures and color only the birds. Is peacock a bird? Yes. Color the circle below. Color it neatly, students. Let's look at the next animal. Is that a bird? No. Is bear a bird? No. Is owl a bird? Yes. Color the circle below. Owl is also called as night bird because it is awake full night. Is swan a bird? Yes. Swan has wings but cannot fly. But swan can swim. Let's look at the next animal. Is eagle a bird? Yes, eagle is a bird. Now let's next look at the next bird. Parrot? Yes, parrot is a bird. Let's look at the next animal. Next animal is zebra. Is it a bird? No. I hope you understood about birds and enjoy doing the worksheets. Bye.